In this video, I'm going to show you how to correct a drawing's scale after changing units in AutoCAD. Start by typing units and selecting the new unit type you want to use, such as centimeters. After changing the units, remember that AutoCAD does not automatically resize existing geometry. To correct the drawing size, select the objects and use the scale command by typing SC and pressing enter. Choose a suitable base point, then enter the appropriate conversion factor, such as 2.54, when converting from inches to centimeters. AutoCAD will resize the entire drawing to match the new unit system accurately. Always verify the final dimensions using the dist or measure command to ensure the conversion was successful. Applying the correct scale factor is essential for maintaining accuracy in construction, engineering, and architectural drawings. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.